Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Sela Febriani from Technocrat University Management Study Program with NPM 234110003. So in this video, I will discuss what a business feasibility study is. Let's discuss it right away. So this business feasibility study is an activity to identify potential problem in a business so that the business that will be run can last a long time and be far from a loss. This study not only identifies potential problems but also solutions to these problems. Determining a business feasibility study is important before writing a business plan. The focus of a business feasibility study is identifying potential critical problems such as how and where the business will be run. Understand that a business plan and a business feasibility study are two different things and cannot replace each other. Purpose of a business feasibility study. There are 5 benefits and purpose of a business feasibility study, namely as follows. The first can facilitate business planning. The purpose of a business feasibility study is to facilitate business planning. Business actors will get information related to the business that will be pioneered when analyzing business feasibility. Information about the advantage and disadvantage of the business is certainly needed. Second, streamlining business implementation with the existence of a business feasibility analysis. Business implementation can be carried out more easily. Business actors can assess and evaluate which programs and policies are effectively implemented. Thus, business implementation that focus on profit can be realized. The third is useful for being able to minimize the risk of loss. One of the benefits of a business feasibility study is to minimize the risk of loss. With a business feasibility analysis, the risk of loss that can and cannot be controlled can be identified, so business actors can prepare themselves to face it, and it is useful to facilitate the supervision process. The results of the feasibility study report contain a business feasibility analysis from various aspects. That aspect can be used to carry out internal supervision. The report can also be used as a guideline for authorities in carrying out external supervision. The last benefit is to facilitate the control process when running a business. You must be prepared to face various conditions, including when problems and deviations are encountered. The role of the results of the business feasibility study report is as a basis for determining the aspects that cause problems. Business actors can certainly take the right steps if they have found the core of the problem. Aspects of business feasibility studies. The aspects of a business feasibility study consist of 5 factors, namely economic culture, market and marketing, management, finance, and legality. First, economic and cultural aspects. In the economic and cultural aspects, the focus of the business feasibility study is the analysis of the impact of establishing a company on the surrounding environment. By establishing a company in an environment, does it affect the customs of the area or not? Second, market and marketing aspects. Market and marketing aspects will answer whether the product will have a chance or not. The things that must be considered in this aspect are market potential, consumer size, purchasing power of the community, market segmentation, business competition situation, and others. Third, management aspect. Analysis of the feasibility study on the management aspect is a basic aspect that must be studied, because how the company's operations start from construction to development are studied in this aspect. In fact, the management aspect also includes resource management to the company's finance. Fourth is the financial aspect. Talking about business, of course, it cannot be separated from capital. So, the financial aspect in a business feasibility study is one of the determinants of the fate of your business in the present and future. Accuracy is needed in the budgeting process so that the business plan is mature. The last aspect is the legality or law aspect. The last aspect in a business feasibility study is legality or law. The legality points that are analyzed are location permits, company registration certificates, NPWP, company deed of establishment from a notary, trade business lisensi atau SIUP, and so on. The stage of a business feasibility study are: first, identify business ideas. Determine the products or services you want to offer. Second, collect data. Conduct market research, including surveys and interviews. Third, analysis data. Use the collected data to conduct analysis. Fourth, create a feasibility report. Document the results of the analysis in the form of a report that includes all the above components. And finally, make a decision. Based on the report, decide whether to continue the project or not. That's all I can say in this video about business feasibility studies. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.